Hey guys, this is Chris with Georgia Power Water Solutions. Back out here today with the mud removal on the new construction in Cartersville, Georgia. As you saw in the first video, the concrete was, this pad back here was completely orange. We used our process with hot water and our mud removing agent. And it's squeaky clean now. The mud is gone. It's hard to get a close-up with the shadows and stuff, but looking a lot better. Getting ready for move-in time. All right, guys, on to the front. I will come to you with a video here in a second. See you in a few.